FSTA, the premier information database for the sciences of food and health, for efficient, effective searching and results you can trust. If you use FSTA's Thesaurus in your searches, you can be confident that you are finding the literature you need because you are capturing variation on keywords that researchers in different parts of the world, and over time, and even in different disciplines, have used to capture concepts. To use the Thesaurus in searches, first we need to get to it. Select FSTA here rather than the Web of Science core collection or all databases. This is a crucial step. If we're not in FSTA, we can't get the full benefits of its thesaurus. Now, from Basic Search, we'll select Descriptors from this menu so that our link appears. Let's do a search about shelf life in broccoli. To start, we'll type shelf life here with an asterisk. Let's look at the thesaurus listing for the official version of the term. We can add all the relevant terms. See how each time we add one, it appears in this string, connected with the Boolean operator OR. Now that we've added useful terms from this page, we can look at the thesaurus entry for other related terms. Let's look at spoilage. We can add more terms from this list, and they continue to appear in our string. When we are satisfied that we've captured all the appropriate terms having to do with shelf life, we hit OK. Our string of terms has been transferred to the search screen. Now we'll add a row, and we'll go through the same steps for broccoli. Not surprisingly, there are far fewer options for broccoli, and in this case, we don't want to add vegetables specific to our search because that would be awfully broad. Let's run this search. If we open up one of the results, we can see how the terms we specified appear in the descriptors. It's possible to go back to our search and modify it. Let's add another concept, packaging. This time we'll leave this the default topic, which means that our term will be searched in the title, abstract, or descriptor fields of records. When we type packaging, we won't type the whole word. Instead, we'll type package with an asterisk. By truncating like this, we'll get results for package, packages, packaged, and packaging, so for the letters that we typed with any letters that could follow on from them. Hit search, and now we know that all our results will be focused on shelf life or spoilage, and focused on broccoli, and that they'll have at least some relevance to packaging. It's also possible to broaden our search by using the terms we found in the thesaurus and searching them as topic words. We could, for instance, leave these terms as descriptors, but broaden broccoli out to a topic search. This will give us a few more results, but we'll know that broccoli isn't necessarily the focus of the research in all of the articles we get back. Broccoli now might be one of a number of vegetables that are being investigated in terms of shelf life and packaging. The purpose of your search will determine which approach you should take. Remember that whenever you use a thesaurus term and search the descriptor field, it pulls in all the used for terms too, which makes your search both comprehensive, because you don't miss out on the variations in language, but also focused, because the descriptor terms capture the main concepts each article is about. When you use a term you found in the thesaurus to search the topic fields, which include descriptors, you'll still get all the used for terms pulled together, but your search will be a little less focused. Try using the thesaurus to be more efficient in your searching. To learn more about how the thesaurus works so you can use it effectively, watch the video Understanding the Thesaurus.